Okay, now we talk about run sequin manually. This icon is manually run sequin. The manual run sequin is merely used in the pattern where the sequin is very less, and the left button represents the straight line point. The right button represents the curve point, like this. And while we input the sequin, we can use Q and W button to switch the sequin mode. And also the shift key should be held down when the sequin is not placed. And if the shift key is held, then the sequin will not be placed. And then we use the enter or spacing to confirm the input. And also you can set the sequin properties like sequin type, fixed type, or other type, fixed type. Yes.